kaendi. Duol mochung' ne tayo piem e kind kembe mapacho kaendi miluongo ni Competition Authority of Kenya ogoyo fwai mar siling bilion 339 ne kembe 9 mag loso chumbe kuom rocho chike matayo chenro mag ohand chumbe pacho kaendi. CAK wacho ni kembe go osebedo ka chuogo nengo mag chuma ka gigolo mana chuma matin mondo donje e chiro kaka yo mar kelo nok mar mwanduno kendo medo nengo ne. Tononoka Rolling Mills, Devki Steel, Doshi Steel kod Jumbo Steel gin moko kuom kembe ma ogo fwai mar kind siling milion 9 nyaka milion 86. Jata tije ma kojole bad migawo wacho ni mano e fwai mang'eny mogik mosego kembe e higa 10 mosekalo.
And also that prices coming up. And you might have seen at some point during the last 3 years the public outcry about price increase within the steel sector. And that's actually what triggered our investigation and therefore the result we are reporting today. In the previous enforcement of the competition law, we have undertaken similar engagement with companies, particularly cement, where we penalized about 6 companies of the violation of Competition Act, which is a cartel case. And also we have seen that in the cement sector before, we have investigated and established similar violation of the law. And therefore we have also penalized the same. And this is a practice that we like to see not being practiced in a liberal market like ours. And therefore this is one of the mandate of the authority that we would like to implement.